A, A. Ba, A, A, ba. Ba, A, ba. Ba, ba, A. Ta, sa, a, ta, sa. Ta, sa, ta. Sa, ba, ta. A, ba, ta, sa. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah. Hello and welcome to our Quran learning family. I'm Randy. I'm so excited to help you begin your journey to reading the Holy Quran beautifully. Today, we are focusing on the very first steps of Iqro 1. Our goal for today is simple. We want to master 4 letters and one very important sign. Learning this properly from the start will make your future lessons so much easier. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Look at this small diagonal line sitting on top of the letter. In Arabic, we call this sign Fathah. Repeat, Fathah. The Fathah is like a key that opens the sound. Whenever you see it, you make a short ah sound, like the ah in the father. Ah. Let's say the name together. Fathah. 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 Good. Remember, it's a short sound, not 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 just good. Let's keep that in mind as we look at our first letter. Good. This starts like letter is Alif. With the fatha on top, it sounds like A. A. Now, listen to the makhraj, the place where the sound is born. The sound A comes from the bottom of your throat, right near your chest. A. 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 Okay, repeat after me. A. 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 Now it's your turn. Repeat after me again. A. 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 Okay, good. Next, we have a letter that looks like a little boat with one dot underneath. This is Ba. 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 The makhraj for Ba is simple. It is made when your upper lip meets your lower lip. Ba. Press them together gently and then release. Ba. 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 Okay, let's practice together. Ba. 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 Now, let's try to alternate between our first 2 letters. Follow my finger. A. A. Ba. A. A. Ba. Good. Next. A. A. Ba. Ba. A. Ba. 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 A. Okay. Repeat again. A. 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 Good. A. Good. Ba. Good. A. Good. A. Good. Ba. Good. Ba. Good. A. Good. Ba. Good. Ba. Good. Ba. Good. A. Good. Okay. Our third letter looks like the boat again, but this time it has two dots on top. This is ta. 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 The makhraj for ta is very important for a clear sound. Place the tip of your tongue so it touches the roots of your upper front teeth. Ta. Ta. Listen to the crisp sound. Ta. 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 Okay? Your turn to try. Ta. Good. Ta. Good. Ta. Good. Okay, next. Ba. Ba. A. Ta. Repeat again. Ba. Ba. A. Ta. Ba. Ba. A. Ta. Okay, cool. Lastly, for today, we have a letter with three dots on top. 1, 2, 3. This is sa. Sa. The sound is very soft and beautiful. For the makhraj of sa, place the tip of your tongue so it is likely between your upper and lower front teeth. It's a very soft sound. Sound like in the word thin. 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 Try it with me. Sa. 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 Okay, let's practice. A. Ta. Sa. Ta. Sa. Ta. Sa. Ba. Ta. A. Ba. Ta. Sa. Okay, let's practice the law from the book Abatasa. Okay, let's start. A. Ba. A. Ba. Repeat. A. Ba. Cool. Ba. Ba. Good. Repeat again. Ba. Ba. Cool. Ba. Cool. Repeat. Ba. Good. Ta. Fa. A. Ta. Fa. Ta. Sa. Ba. Ta. A. Ba. Ta. Sa. Okay, one more time. A. Cool. Ba. Good. A. Ba. Perfect. Ba. Ba. Cool. Ba. Good. Ta. Sa. Ta. Sa. Ta. Sa. Ba. Ta. Ba. Ta. Sa. Great. You have done a wonderful job today. We mastered the fathah, the deep thought, the lip sound, ba, the tongue lip, ta, and the soft Sa. Consistency is the secret to success. Rewatch this video and practice with me every day. If you enjoy this lesson, please hit the subscribe button so we can keep learning together. Thank you for your time. See you in lesson 2. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.